Welcome to a new way to make AI work for people. ServiceNow has the only AI-first platform for the enterprise. A beautiful experience layer that cleans up the mess it took over a half a century to build. We've engineered an environment purpose-built to manage, govern, and secure your entire AI ecosystem. AI Experience by ServiceNow unifies all of your AI, your data, and workflows on a single platform. Now the way you work changes forever because AI is the new UI. Nobody can show it better than our incredible team, so let's take a look.
Thanks, Bill. To see what's happening with enterprise AI, we need to take a step back and look at the bigger picture. Every major shift in technology has inspired a change in the user experience. Command lines gave way to graphical interfaces, desktops gave way to mobile, and the mouse gave way to touch, gesture, and voice. Each leap rewrote the rules of how we work. Today, with AI, we are at the next big rewrite in how we engage with technology, but so far, the execution has been a little chaotic. The same mindset that gave enterprises a tangled mess of systems is happening again with AI, only this time it's worse. Every app bolts on its own sidecar AI, a chatbot here, a co-pilot there, all disconnected and isolated. They talk, they summarize, but they don't actually move work forward. That's why I'm thrilled to announce AI Experience by ServiceNow, giving every user across the enterprise a new way to interact with AI. Whether you're engaging through voice, text, images, data, or web agents, your AI experience is multimodal, giving every user one secure, unified way to put AI to work. Let's jump into a demo. I'm going to bring in Shar Patel to show you AI Experience in action. Hey, Shar.
Hi, Amy. Now, when it comes to creativity and delivering personalized experiences at scale, Adobe sets the bar. But like every enterprise, they are up against fragmented systems, siloed data, and rising expectations from both customers and employees. That's why 85% of the Fortune 500 choose ServiceNow, the only platform that puts AI, data, and workflows into a single AI experience, one that doesn't just assist, but actually drives outcomes fast. Let's bring up the demo. Maria, a manager at Adobe, gets an alert on her way to work. An offer for a new role on her team needs her approval. But she's having trouble accessing her system to approve it. That frustration is exactly what AI Experience was built to change, providing instant service through a personalized AI-powered voice agent that takes action on your behalf, anytime, anywhere, on any issue. One simple tap from Maria starts the call with a voice agent that has full context of her situation. No repeating information and no phone queue.
Hi, Maria. I'm your AI agent. How can I help?
Hi, I got a notification that there's an offer letter for me to approve. The thing is, I'm not in the office and I don't have access to the employee portal. This offer letter needs to go out today or we could lose the candidate. Can you help me?
I'm sorry you're having trouble with that. Let's see what we can do. Okay, I found the approval ticket for candidate Helen Highwater. I can see you're the next approver. Would you like me to approve on your behalf?
Yes, please approve the offer.
The offer's approved.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Maria. By the way, it looks like the issue keeping you from getting to your employee portal is a VPN outage in your area. I filed a high-priority ticket under your name for IT to investigate this outage further. Is there anything else I can help with?
No, I think that's it for now. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Even while Maria was on the go and locked out, her voice agent instantly understood the full context of her challenge and orchestrated resolutions across workflows, delivering a new standard of service in seconds, not hours. Employees can ask voice agents to solve any issue, from IT to HR to sales. One simple, multimodal AI experience driving real outcomes. At Adobe, many IT fixes, like a VPN outage, are slow, fragmented, and packed with repetitive steps that drain valuable time and resources. With web agents embedded into the AI experience, all of that changes. Web agents handle the clicks for you, navigating internal and third-party systems to take action, just like a human, only faster, more reliable, and at scale. So let's see how this VPN issue gets solved behind the scenes. Adobe's IT lead, Harry, sees an issue in the network logs and needs telemetry from New Relic to dig in more. But it looks like the integration has expired. Normally, the fix is time-consuming manual work. But with AI experience, Harry initiates a request. And from there, a web agent authenticates with New Relic, restores the integration, and streams telemetry into the dashboard. Another AI agent analyzes the data and pinpoints a recent software update as the root cause and proposes a rollback. Harry's going to review it, approves, and the fix is deployed. Now, this is just one example. Imagine hundreds or even thousands of web agents doing work on your behalf, installing security patches, onboarding new hires, updating CRM records, or closing out finance approvals. Every system connected and every repetitive task automated. But not every problem starts with text or voice. Sometimes all there is a screenshot or a photo. Adobe's support team gets hundreds of emails every day with screenshots that need manual triage. AI Experience interprets any visual input and delivers a plain language solution right on the spot. Here's another familiar scenario. You run into a system error while working, snap a screenshot, and hope someone else can figure this out because you have no idea what that error code means. AI Experience understands the error code and in moments explains the issue and suggests a fix. This is AI ready to help in any way you work. So far, we've seen how Adobe uses AI Experience to resolve issues and move work forward. But what about the work that's more strategic, like using AI to spot patterns and prevent problems before they happen? Instead of jumping between systems or relying on external tools, teams uncover insights right in the flow of their work with AI Experience. Take Adobe's support team. Hundreds of incident tickets coming in every week, but the volume makes it hard to see patterns or actually drive improvements. Now, the support manager can simply say, analyze critical incidents. And in moments, AI analyzes the data, flags inefficiencies, and recommends changes for process improvements. AI Experience transforms data insights into strategic direction, giving every team the clarity to move forward with confidence. So let's recap. We've got text, voice, web, image, and data. AI Experience brings it all together in only a way that ServiceNow can. One platform, one system of action, and one unified, intelligent UI for all of enterprise AI.
That is so great to see that in action, Shar. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. Now, let's hear directly from Adobe on their AI journey.
We're fortunate enough to be here today with Rachel Thornton, who is an AI pacesetter, and Rachel is the CMO of Enterprise at Adobe. Welcome, Rachel.
I'm glad to be here.
Adobe is all about bringing great ideas to life for both creators and businesses. How is AI transforming Adobe today?
I think the big things that are driving those changes in creativity and marketing, interesting changes like the shift from SEO to things like generative search optimization. We're seeing content and production across creative assets go from taking literally months down to days. But I think what's really interesting, and then what I think speaks to the launch of ServiceNow new platform, is this change from static websites, from chatbots to a much more conversational interface. So when I hear ServiceNow talk about AI assistance across multiple modalities, that absolutely speaks to the things we're seeing, not only in creative and marketing, but like I said, in teams across the company, really looking for that conversational interface and AI assistance to help them amplify their work and be more productive and be more effective.
Adobe and ServiceNow have been great partners, and you're already seeing impact of our AI platform today. As you look into the future, what are you most excited about?
There's 30,000 folks at Adobe that are using ServiceNow today. It's what helps keeps the business running smoothly. I'm excited to see the new capabilities that you've launched today come to life. I think that's really interesting, the way you're thinking about AI assistance across multiple modalities. There's a lot of goodness when you think about how you use AI to help support teams, sort of keeping people and teams in the center. And I'm looking forward to how we think about that as we work together to deploy the next generation of ServiceNow solutions.
Really appreciate the time you spent with us today.
AI is also reshaping how we serve our customers. Many of you know the pain that comes from a lot of traditional CRMs, a patchwork of disconnected point solutions, expensive integrations, and siloed data. This all leads to long hold times, field techs without the right parts, and sales reps who can't build a quote without a bunch of manual workarounds. So instead of providing solutions, traditional CRM has created a customer relationship meltdown. This isn't just a problem, it's a costly crisis, damaging customer relationships and your bottom line. That ends now. Our CRM connects your sales, fulfillment, and service teams with AI agents that take action on your behalf, allowing customers to truly self-serve, scaling your call center and operations teams, and driving faster, more proactive service. And with ServiceNow's new AI-powered CPQ, sellers focus on selling instead of wasting time chasing information. No other CRM can match that. Customer loyalty is renewed, new sales opportunities are found, and operational costs plummet.
And it's already working for our customers.
That's right. At Pure Storage, 72% of their service cases are solved before a customer even notices a problem. Bell Canada used AI to resolve 3 million support calls, and Keysight Technologies cut the time to generate complex quotes by over 40%. That is real-world AI impact. So Shar, let's see CRM in action.
Sure, thanks, Amy. Now let's take a look at how ServiceNow's AI-powered CRM is helping companies just like Electri build customers for life. With ServiceNow, Electri ensures its coding tools can keep pace with the demanding needs of their customers. Like this game developer, who proactively gets an AI alert that his team is nearly out of credits, which could be a huge roadblock to their launch. For any usage-based business, this common customer service problem can cause frustration and lead to customer churn. But this customer strikes up a chat with an AI support agent. But this is so much more than just a chatbot. This is AI experience powered by a team of AI agents working together. The AI agents get to work to resolve this issue in real time, offering free credits through the end of the month, a solution that's already been approved by Electri's Service Playbook. But how did this happen? Behind the scenes, one AI agent reviews customer subscriptions, another evaluates support policies, and a third logs notes and communicates back through the chat, all guided by the AI agent orchestrator. Automating resolutions like this both improves customer satisfaction while also freeing up time to focus on more complex issues. ServiceNow's AI-powered CRM takes service even further. Noticing the customer's rapid growth, an AI agent suggests connecting with sales to explore the next level of subscription. Within minutes, the customer received the support they needed now and a plan to ensure long-term success. This isn't everyday customer service. This is customer relationship management with the ServiceNow AI platform. Thanks to ServiceNow's new AI-powered CPQ, sales reps easily configure complex quotes with everything they need in one view. AI notifications, previous chat history, product usage, and in this case, the alert to build a new customized quote. Every step is simple for reps and guarantees quotes stay compliant, eliminating outdated spreadsheets and clunky software. Based on rep input and account profile, ServiceNow CPQ uses AI to guide the rep to the right solution, recommending the Pro Edition with added security and compliance. The customer reviews the quote and gets the approval to make the purchase, moving the deal from open to closed won, all in record time. Unlike slow legacy tools, ServiceNow CPQ uses AI to deliver speed, simplicity, and accuracy in every deal. That is how you build loyalty and turn customers into long-term advocates. Where legacy CRMs create friction, ServiceNow removes it. Where they slow you down, we speed you up. The meltdown moments end here. And the future of CRM is AI-powered, and it is here today.
That is so exciting, and to think about where we go from here. I want to hear more about what customers are experiencing from Chris Betty. So Chris, over to you.
Thank you, Amy. I talk to customers every day, and one thing is clear. Without trust, customers won't go all in on AI. They need to know their AI platform is governed and secure, but they also need to get to value fast, and that requires combining a trusted platform with one that takes action, connecting AI to the right data with strong workflow execution. In the enterprise, the complexity of AI is growing exponentially. Every day, thousands of agents, models, and prompts are hitting sensitive data and critical workflows. Customers need more control and more visibility to handle that AI complexity. That's why we built the AI Control Tower. Consider it your unified command center that governs, secures, and optimizes your entire AI ecosystem. One pane of glass to govern any AI agent, any model, and any workflow across the entire enterprise, whether native to ServiceNow or third party, tying every AI investment to your business strategy. You get full visibility and control, so your AI runs safely, reliably, all from one place. ServiceNow is the platform where AI, data, and workflows come together end-to-end at enterprise scale. We fuel AI with healthy data at the core. We deliver AI agents for every workflow, and we've earned the trust enterprises demand. That's why companies like NVIDIA, Starbucks, Intuit, ExxonMobil, Merck, and Wells Fargo, companies that help the world run, are betting on ServiceNow. Embracing AI isn't an option any longer. Waiting is putting risk into your business. It's time, and we're ready to partner. Let's go change the world of work together.
I'm so proud of the work the ServiceNow team has done, creating a whole new way to make AI work for people. There's always a moment in history when the line is drawn. This is that moment. The line between yesterday and tomorrow. Enterprises will never work the same way again. With AI experience, the future is now. Let's go.